The HSPHSWITI Ravioli Maker Stamp and Roller Set provides home chefs with all the necessary tools to create professional quality pasta dishes in their own kitchens. This comprehensive three-piece set includes various sized stamps and a versatile roller wheel, designed for precision cutting and sealing. Each piece features a durable wooden handle that offers a comfortable and secure grip while ensuring smooth operation across your dough surfaces. Crafted with high-quality materials, the HSPHSWITI Ravioli Maker Stamp and Roller Set is built to withstand repeated use during frequent pasta making sessions. The fluted edges on the stamps create beautiful scalloped patterns on the pasta, while the integrated roller wheel allows for quick and efficient cutting of long sheets of dough. This combination of tools ensures that your ravioli, dumplings, and pierogi are always sealed tightly, preventing any leakage of delicious fillings during the boiling process. Whether you are a novice cook or an experienced culinary enthusiast, the HSPHSWITI Ravioli Maker Stamp and Roller Set simplifies the complex task of preparing handmade Italian cuisine. The ease of cleaning and compact design make these tools a perfect addition to any kitchen drawer or gadget collection. By using this reliable set, you can transform simple flour and egg mixtures into impressive, restaurant-style meals that will delight your friends and family during any dining occasion. Pros: provides firm and consistent seals, creates beautiful fluted edges, easy to use at home, makes multiple ravioli at once, comfortable ergonomic wooden handle, high-quality thickened frame, time-proof and durable design, lightweight yet sturdy construction, reduces hand strain. Versatile for many food types. Cons: manual labor required, limited shape variety, hand wash only, requires rolling dough. Potential for uneven seals. Features: three-piece set, wooden comfort handle, fluted edge design, includes roller wheel, durable metal construction, easy pasta cutting, simple dumpling pressing, versatile kitchen tool, comfortable ergonomic grip, professional style ravioli. The HSPHSWITI Ravioli Maker Stamp and Roller Set provides home chefs with all the necessary tools to create professional quality pasta dishes in their own kitchens. This comprehensive three-piece set includes various sized stamps and a versatile roller wheel, designed for precision cutting and sealing. Each piece features a durable wooden handle that offers a comfortable and secure grip while ensuring smooth operation across your dough surfaces. The HSPHSWITI Ravioli Maker Stamp Cutter and Roller Wheel Set offers a durable and ergonomic solution for home pasta making, featuring comfortable wooden handles and a sturdy design that provides consistent seals and professional-looking fluted edges while reducing hand strain. However, users must be prepared for the manual labor involved in rolling dough and stamping each piece individually, along with the limitations of a fixed shape variety and the necessity of hand washing the tools to maintain their quality and prevent uneven seals.